Alright, so we're gonna show you guys how to get that beard action right. Now of course, you got to have the beard comb. Just got out of the shower and I want to be able to get all of the kinks out of the beard. So the beard already got some water action on it, so it's not as rough or rugged right now. And normally my beard is always soft. Nevertheless, you always want to have something that can get rid of all of the detanglement, and this beard comb allows me to do that. Now, with that being said, what you want to do now to deep condition this beard is I use Cream of Nature. They got this acai berry. It's real good. It feels good on the beard. Rub it all in and let the follicles absorb all of that moisture. Remember, 3 layers to the skin, right? You got the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous. But by that beard, having the hair that it is on the beard, you want to be able to have those follicles open, those pores open. And that's what the hot shower do to the beard. So it can absorb all of the minerals and the good moisture. Gotta rub it in. Got to rub it in. Let's look into this thing a little closer. You see? Yeah, that's that beard action. Gotta make sure that every follicle is moisturized so that every independent follicle can stand on itself. That's how I look at it. All of those beard hairs are soldiers to me, and that's what I do. I gotta make sure that everything is moisturized. Got the shea butter with the mango. This is a leave-in conditioner. As you guys can see, you want to absorb all of that good nutrients, that ingredients. Let it sit on that beard hair. That will make it grow. That is what exactly make it grow. And on top of that, it give it strength. Think about this. You out in the wilderness, you hungry, you starving. You're gonna need something to get all of that nutrients in, and that's what leave-in conditioners does. Keeping it consistent, being able to brush it, seeing where my hair design would go. Remember, you train your hair just like your grass outside in the lawn. You know, the lawn, you gotta train it, you gotta manicure that thing. So I just gotta make sure that I'm brushing in the leave-in conditioner. I just let that sit for about 15, maybe 20 minutes, give or take. But I want all of my follicles to feel that, feel every bit of that actual moisturizer, that mango. It's a good smell too. Smells real good. And it just sit there and absorb in, rub it in, and then I go back with the comb, keeping everything consistent, making sure that I can hit every follicle, going right back at it, making sure it's smooth so that you guys hear no snaps at the thing. And just continue to train that hair, course that hair, and getting all of those minerals to fold in there. See, that's what that beard comb look like. You got that separation, the detangle comb. Basically, you can get that from any beauty supply store, or they got crazy websites out there that you can go order one. Normally, I like my wooden tip comb, but I couldn't find it, so I went with this iron tip comb, but it's still good. Now I got the cream. I put that in there. I spray it all over. I spray a lot of it too, because this help fight, and I wanted it to be as soft as possible. I'm going against any conventional way because I just look at it like this. Long as it's natural, long as I can use it. That's that coconut milk, and you just got to brush it in. Make sure you do the same thing just like you do with the leave-in condition, and you got to keep everything consistent. Continue to brush, and you'll get that curl pattern. Brush it flat, and then they got the beard condition. You know about that, right? For those who out there that use beard conditioning, you put that oil in there, let it sit right off in there, and now your beard is like, yes, it got all of the nutrients and the minerals that you need. But now, if you can see, the texture of my hair is stronger, and it holds its own right now. I love it because the pattern, once everything is absorbed in, man, it's a good feeling, I'm telling you all, especially when you come straight out of the shower. Now I'm just getting it all in. Remember, it's 3 layers to that skin. And while the follicles are open, I just go ahead and put some of that beard balm on there so that I can shape it the way I want it to be. And beard balm, you don't have to put a lot. Just put a little teaspoon on there, less than a dime size on your palm or what have you, and you just shape it in there. Don't get carried away with it. And if you don't have beard balm, guess what else would work? A little Dax or any hard type of I guess hair grease. Well, wax grease with beeswax, whatever you want to use. It got the same principle. And you just want to put that in there to hold everything, hold that shape. And then you brush all of the other particles out or comb it out. That's what I do. Now, you can do whatever you want to do, but that's how I grow my beard. And on top of that, when you look down at the sink, you won't have hair everywhere. Good, healthy beard follicles, where you don't see beard hair everywhere in the sink, everywhere on the floor and things like that, because you want to be able to make sure that every follicle is fed right with the right nutrients. Remember, just like your body, if you eat good, you will live good, your beard will look good as well. Same situation, same formula, brushing all of that in, and it's going to look nice. It's flat out going to look nice when I get finished with it. And that's just the pattern right there. Now, do you do this every day? No, don't do this every day. Please don't do this every day. Just try to do this probably once a week. Treat yourself once a week to a deep conditioner. If you really have dry follicles, dry hair, then you might have to do it twice. Maybe on a Monday, or maybe if you're on a weekend warrior, maybe you do it on a Saturday, and then you follow up and you do it on a Wednesday or something like that. Nevertheless, I recommend just once a week you do something. Do this deep conditioner, let it sit, feed the beard, and it's gonna look full. Don't worry about the haze, because you do it. I do it at night, so in the morning time it will be just right. All of those follicles be fed well. Look at it. This is about 15 minutes later. You see how they eating? Yeah, that beard is eating. That's what you need to do. So you won't have no baby beard out here. So you won't have no weak beard action. So you won't have any patches. You got to feed the source. You got to feed it with some good stuff. I'm for real. Yeah, no hair bumps under the neck. Got to make sure that all of that stuff is correct. And that's what it looks like. It's full. It's complete. And it makes you feel good. And people will love it. And that's what I do. As far as that beard routine as it relates to deep conditioning. That's been my time. I really thank you all for yours. And remember, you're listening to nothing but the best. Salute. I'm out. Peace.